Good morning, Year 5s. How are we? Right, it's been a couple of weeks since we did some home learning. It's just taken me 10 minutes to remember how I set up and what I was doing. So no doubt you'll feel the exact same. Just a reminder, I've put home learning week 2 on our blog on Year 5. I've done it a little bit differently. Mr. Paxman suggested this, and to be fair, it does work. Instead of putting maths, English, reading, wider curriculum in separate documents, I've just put it all in one day. So all you need to do is look on the timetable. You'll notice I put Monday as bank holiday. Try and keep life as normal as possible. Yesterday was a bank holiday. And then we've got our timetable as normal. Again, I've kept it normal. So today, Tuesday, last time was Reading for Pleasure, and your choice, Times Tables, Rockstars, Education City, Typing Club, that's the same. I want to try and keep as much routine as possible. So today we've got Math Sheet 1 for angles. You'll notice now, though, it just says Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So all you need to do is click on Tuesday, and you will get the maths and the English. You'll get all your work all on one document now for the day, which, to be fair, I totally agree with. Makes a lot of sense. I know there's a few people emailing me this morning, Mr. Cooper, I can't find my reading. I can't find my... It's because the reading's not today. The reading will be on Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay? Obviously, from next week, there'll be a Monday as well. Obviously. So, it's all on one document now, which does make a lot of sense. So, let's get on with our maths. I've got my laptop there. Let's put that there. I've got to remember what I was doing. Down here. There we go. That's how I did it, wasn't it? Ooh, where are we? There we go. Ooh, can I fit it on? Oh, I've written in the wrong part of the notepad, haven't I? Right, I have to do it like that. So, first one. I do nails. Square and cube numbers today, first of all. So we've got 4 squared and 2 squared. Or we should know squared is just the number times itself. So 4 times 4, well, that'll be 16. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, so we've got the question 16 times 4. You know what? I don't know my 16 times tables. Doesn't matter if I just do this. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 4 is 4. Add 2 is 6. Answer 64. Boom. Sorry, I'm moving my paper around a lot today. Next one, same again. 5 squared. Well, 5 squared we know is 5 times 5, which is 25. So 25 add 7. Whoa, gotta get your brains working again. 5, 6, 7, so that's 32. 32 add 7, that's going to be 39. So this side equals 39. So something take away 9 equals 39. There you go. That's a nice easy one for you. You just have to sort out the square number with that one. Because remember, you've got to make them... It's a balanced equation, essentially. You've got to get the same answer on both sides. This one, I think I was a bit mean putting this first. That's square root, but it's the cube root, which we did have a cheeky little peek at. So remember, cubed is a number times by itself 3 times. So the cube root, it's 27. So what number is times by itself 3 times to make 27? And the answer should be 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. Okay, I was a bit mean putting a cube on first thing. I should have done a square root. My apologies, that was a bit mean of me. Don't worry if that one caught you out. It's just a bit of retrieval. This one up here, Ruby says that 45 can't be a prime number. Why? Well, look at the number 45. Ends with a 5. You know that's in the 5 times table straight away. Can't be a prime number. Easy as that. Prime factor 32, which is the little true you make. So, any way of making 32. You could have 2 and 16. 2's a prime, so you stop there. What makes 16? 4 and 4. Are they prime? No, because they're in the 2's. Ah, oh, run out of space. 2 times 2. Oh, 2 times 2. So all these are prime. I shouldn't have circled the 4. So the answer is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Factor pairs of 32 is our frisbee. 1 and 32. 2 and 16. We'll just go around now, don't we? 3. No, because 3 times 10 is 30. 4. 4 times 6. You just got to use what you know. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times... Ooh. 4 times 8. Boom. 5, no, because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. 6. 6, 6 to 36. No. 7. 7, 4, 21, 28. No. 8. Right, I've already got 8. That one is now done. So there you go, there are your factor pairs. And just to mix it up a little bit this week, I've got some angles. Now, obviously, with just a pen and paper, I don't expect you to be trying to draw them out. I've drawn them out for the example, but really, you're finding a missing angle. So the drawings don't even have to be accurate. So you've got 24 here, you've got 45 on here, and you've got 39. You're missing, well, it's B on here, isn't it? It could be X, could be question mark, could be a superhero. So, the only thing you need to remember here is that you're working on a straight line. You should all remember a straight line is 180 degrees. Essentially, you've just got a missing number calculation. That, and that make 180. So you've got 3 of the 4 pieces of information. So all you need to do there is add them all up, see what you've got left. We did this loads, just a few weeks ago. I think February, March time, wasn't it? So what do we have? 45, 39, 24. Add them up. So got to get my brain working here. 5 and 4 is 9, and 9 that's 18. 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 3, just added those up, they equal 108. So whatever's left makes 180. So there's 2 ways here. You can either do 180, take away 108, you find your difference, that's what's left over, or you count on from 108. Now, when I'm really far away, I'll do that, but to be fair, I like counting on, so just go 108, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 2 left over, so the answer is 72. So B is 72. You do the same with these ones. The next one though, so I've done a little drawing just so you know which one I'm talking about, but you don't, to be fair, you don't need to draw it on your book, do you? Because you've got all the numbers, you can just write them straight down. Same as the one before, only it's not a straight line now. It is now a full turn, a circle. And we should remember that a full turn equals 360. But once again, you've got all this information, you're just finding one missing one. So again, you add them all up and see what's left. This video is a bit longer because I'm talking you through it. Hopefully, the other maths do nows will be quicker because you'll remember what to do. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. What can we do there? 5 and 1 is 6. Another 6 is 12. Add 7, that'd be 19. And then you've got a 1, 2. So 298. So that's how much these ones add up to. So then we just need to find the difference, see what's left over. 0 take away 8, can't do that. So we'll steal 1 from there. So that becomes 10, 2. Oh, can't do this one either. Steal from there. Put 100 in there, it becomes 150. 6, and it's 62. So that one there should be 62, and then they all equal 360. This last one, testing it, hopefully you realise I'm testing out on all 3 type of questions that we've been looking at for missing angles. This one, well, I've just sketched out roughly, as you can see here. You've got a triangle on a straight line, and that's the key there. So your straight line's 180. So you've got this information here. You've got 120. You need to finish it off. You can't do the triangle first because you've only got one piece of information. If you work that one out, you can then do the triangle. So on a straight line, you've got 120. So this one, what's counting tens, can't you? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's 60. That now, together, makes 180, which is a straight line. We've also got, you now got 2 pieces of information to find out what y is. You should remember that the interior angles of a triangle also equal 180. You've got 70 and 60, so 7 and 6 is 13, so 70 and 60 is 130. So y, oh again you're just counting tens, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So y is 50, and then those 3 should equal 180. Lovely. Don't worry if you didn't get all of that today, because there was quite a lot of retrieval from a good few weeks back, especially this stuff here, but we did do a lot of it. If you got stuck today, don't worry, but hopefully tomorrow you can approach some more and get cracking with those. To be fair, you've got more practice on your maths anyway, because the actual task for today, I just realised it's been 10 minutes chatting. Your actual task for today is solving lots of angle problems, but it's only on a straight line, and I've even give you the tip of 180. So, you know, that one there, 90, it's going to be 90 on the other side. You've just got to make sure they equal 180. So you've got a missing one here. You can either count on from the number, so 136, 46, 56, 66, 76, right, so that's 44, or you take away from 180, okay? And as you look through, they'll just get increasingly a little bit more difficult, because well, you'll get 3 angles, but you're given 2 of them, so you can do that. That one there, don't forget that little square symbol means 90. I'm not going to go through all the answers, as you will be staring at this all day, but it's on 180. You're always trying to equal 180, okay, guys? And don't forget, the little square represents 90 degrees. The challenge at the bottom, very similar to the do now. So, look where you've got most of the information. Can you work out these? No, because you don't know what either of those two are yet. Can you work out the triangle? Yes, because you've got those two. Work out the triangle, then you can finish that off, because that is a 180 degree line. Okay, so hope you got on well with that. Apologies for the very long video there, and have a go with the maths task calculating missing angles. Good luck with that, guys. Let me know if there's any problems. Don't forget you can email me, and I can help out if you're really stuck on something. Let me know, and I can always help out. But cheers. See you later, guys.